Project ZIP. My first my first concern, sir, is that what is new to your innovation, because we have already the existing ZIP grade right now.
Yes, sir. Zip grade, we use this as analysis tool, sir, because as a testing coordinator, it is hard for me to gather the data we needed to that we need to submit in the division office, and the Zip grade automatically generates the item analysis, which is a very big help for the teachers.
Yes, sir. My question, sir, is actually, what is new to your innovation nga wala dito sa existing na ZIP grade? May ZIP grade na ta, sir. Nagagamit na ta sina
Yes, sir.
actually. So, anong may ara sa imo ZIP grade nga wala dito sa original nga ZIP grade nga imo gi-innovate?
Maybe like actually, Zip grade can already give immediate feedback. The new,
Because when we talk about innovation, sir, ga-exist na siya nga technology butang ta, pero may gin-inject ikaw nga something that makes it innovative or something like that. Nevertheless, sir, may I ask what is the subject that you are teaching?
mathematics then, sir.
Okay, so mathematics. So because ZIP grade is very limited to multiple choice test or exam.
Yes, sir.
So nakita nimo, sir, ang padulungan sa imo nga innovation kung let's say for example, you have a test nga hindi ya pwede madala sa multiple choice pero ang bata gid niya ma-compute.
Yes, sir. But in DepEd, sir, we use the standardized test, which is the multiple choice of test.
Okay, sir. Last concern, sir, is that you have mentioned earlier nga students will not spend time checking their quizzes. So, ang mga bata, gali, sir, ang nag-check sang quizzes or sang exam.
No, sir. Only the teacher will scan the answer sheets and generate the score.
Okay, so that is why, because you know what, the main purpose of innovation is not actually for the teachers nga para mangin mahapos ang aton nga life, given na siya nga dapat amuna. Pero ang, I guess, the mantra of the Department of Education is, bata muna bago ang ating sarili or something like that. Maybe, sir, you can reflect on that so that you can create an innovation that focuses more to our learners. Thank you so much, sir. Nevertheless, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.